Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make it camera cutout. So as you can see, when I'm open my Google Chrome, showing it to blank screen under my camera. But when I'm open another apps like open photo apps, not showing it to black option in my camera. And when I'm open this, showing it to black color in my camera. So you just easily set up this. Simply you just open your settings, press on display, scroll down, showing it to camera cutout. So two different show camera cutout and hide camera cutout. So you just select specific app. I'm already select to Chrome, to auto option, like select to calendar to enable hide camera cutout. Okay, when I'm open my calendar, showing it this option.